What if I told you that the world's oldest known computer was built over 2,000 years ago, long before electricity even existed? At first, that sounds impossible. Most people believe advanced machines are a modern invention, but one incredible discovery changed everything historians thought they knew. More than 100 years ago, a group of divers searching beneath the sea came across the remains of an ancient ship that had rested underwater for centuries. They expected to find statues, pottery, and forgotten treasure. They had no idea they were about to uncover a mystery. As they carefully lifted objects from the wreck, one strange piece stood out. It wasn't shiny, it wasn't beautiful. It looked like nothing more than a broken lump of green metal covered in corrosion. Nobody thought it was important. The object was placed inside a museum. Days became months, months became years. Visitors walked past it without paying much attention. It seemed like just another damaged artifact. Then one day, researchers decided to look inside. What they discovered shocked everyone. Hidden beneath centuries of rust was an intricate system of tiny bronze gears. The gears fit together with incredible precision. Each wheel turned another. Each movement controlled the next. It wasn't random. Someone had designed this machine with astonishing skill. The more experts studied it, the more unbelievable it became. This wasn't simply a decorative object. It was built to calculate the movements of the sun, the moon, and even predict eclipses with remarkable accuracy. But here's the part that stunned researchers the most. This machine wasn't powered by electricity. It wasn't connected to a battery, yet it could perform calculations that people believed were impossible for its time. For generations, people believed technology this advanced didn't appear until more than 1,000 years later. That assumption suddenly collapsed. One forgotten object was rewriting history. Imagine the skill it took. Every tiny gear had to fit perfectly. One mistake, and the entire mechanism would fail. Whoever built it understood engineering far beyond what anyone expected from that era. No other machine this sophisticated from the world has ever been found. Which raises an incredible question. Was this invention unique, or have countless others simply disappeared with time? Think about it. If one extraordinary machine survived beneath the sea for 2,000 years, how many equally amazing inventions may have been lost forever? History may still be hiding incredible secrets beneath the ocean. Today, this remarkable device is recognized as the oldest known analog computer ever discovered, not because it used electricity, but because it was designed to calculate and predict the movements of the heavens using an intricate system of gears. One forgotten object changed what we thought ancient people could achieve. And if history was wrong about this, what other incredible discoveries are still waiting beneath the surface? Did you enjoy the video you just watched? If you did, please like, share, leave a comment, and follow our account for more amazing content on all social media platforms.